I've been using the Klairs EGF Blue Youth Activating Drop for a while now, and I can honestly see why it's such a favorite in the K-beauty world. The texture is incredibly lightweight and watery. It sinks in almost instantly without leaving any sticky or heavy feeling, which makes it perfect for layering. The standout ingredients are EGF, epidermal growth factor, and BFGF, which helps support skin repair, boost collagen production, and improve elasticity over time. I've noticed my skin looks smoother and a bit more plump, especially around fine lines. It also contains guaiazoline, derived from chamomile, which gives the serum its natural blue color and really helps calm redness and irritation. Adenosine is another bonus ingredient that targets wrinkles and improves skin firmness. I like to use 2 to 3 drops right after cleansing and toning, both morning and night, though I especially love it in my nighttime routine when my skin feels like it can fully recover. Overall, it feels soothing, hydrating, and gently rejuvenating. A great option if you're dealing with sensitivity, post-acne marks, or early signs of aging and want that smooth, healthy glow.